Yes then guys, it's PW Dodger. We are here today at Brad's Bits. So if you're wondering what that is, it is a geezer who makes badass shit with metal. So today it's obviously away from cars. Some of the PW crew are quite busy doing other stuff, which I'll probably keep you up to date with that, show you what they're doing, well out of the blue of cars. But today I've treated myself, thought I'd come and see this talented geezer, and he's going to help me build or make a knife. I'll be showing you how the process works and how it's made and what he does, and what he's going to show me and teach me. But let me just show you what the start is first, and what the actual first bit of the project is, and then so forth. All right then guys, so this here is what we're gonna make into a beautiful knife. So you can imagine, like, how the fuck are you gonna do that? Well, we're gonna show you, and it probably won't be done all in one day, so it might be back another time and we'll catch up on that. But that is gonna be turned into a badass knife. So stay tuned and I'll see you in a bit. I'll put some little montage cinematic bullshit. But yeah, cool. Peace. Oh my god, it's gonna get hot in here, man! Yo, check this out, guys. Look at that, man. It's gonna get super hot in here now. That's insane. Wow. I'm gonna get naked in a minute, it's gonna get hot. Burnt a hole in the floor. That's how hot that was. Fucking hell. Shit. Look at this bit here. Look at that. Oh, that's fucking sizzling. Oh my god. Oh shit. It's that hot, it doesn't stay on there. You having a latte? Right, so it's my go. Got the gloves on. I'm gonna give this a fucking bit of a whacker jack. And yeah, see how it goes. I've got shorts on, so hopefully it won't hit me in the leg and burn this out. But I'm gonna use this hammer. No, not really. This bad boy here. Give it a go, give it a flap. Got my nail clippers. Hopefully it goes well. So Brad suggested I should wear this because I'm a rookie, first time. Give it a go. I bet my fucking thing is, it gets that hot and go through it. Let's give it a go, yeah? Do this. Here we go. Oh my God! I feel like 4. The bench is heat out. That is solid, bro. That's not easy at all. You have to really fucking grip it. Obviously, it's a rock in there. I'm not used to it. I don't know what's going on. I ain't got a clue. But wow, it's actually quite adrenaline for us, you know. Gives you a bit of a like, shit could go wrong feeling. Crazy. Right, so far so good. So that spanner what I showed you at the beginning has transformed massively. So let me just show you now what that looks like now. There it is, there's the spanner. So we're keeping the ring there, and then this end is the blade end, and then the handle end. So far so good. And I'm absolutely sweating me fucking balls off. It gets so... I'd love to know what the temperature is in here. What do you reckon it is?
I've had it up to about 42.
42. It's got to be at least high-end 30. It's fucking... It's hot. Like, my balls are sweating. Like, you know, it's mega. But yeah, no, so it's going really well. Can't wait to see the finishing. The end. But yeah, keep you updated, guys. A bit of an update, so it's going pretty well. It's getting super hot in there, so I think what we're going to do is going to have a little break, just so we can cool down. Brad's going to have a cigarette and we can just chill in a minute, because it gets pretty hot in here, so I can imagine having a little break now and then is needed. It's quite fresh out here as well, so it is super warm in there. But so far so good, you know. We're starting to get the bend and fatten it out, kind of get the blade side. But yeah, this is insane. Like, it's so impressive. It's like, I know it's completely different to cars, and you're so used to cars. And I just thought I'd let you show you the inside of what other people do and different skills. It's amazing. Because I can imagine, like, if we were to come to a brand and say, "Look, make us a body part," I imagine he'd give it a bash. But it's amazing, because it's the same skill as fabrication. You know, bending metal, making sure it's good and flat, getting the right edge in. It is so good. I can't wait to show you the end. And I can't wait to see the end. But yeah, we're gonna have a little break and then get back on it. But yeah. Oh, the Lord has spoken. It's super stop. All I've been moaning about is how hot it is in there, and now it's raining, and it's the best ever. It feels so good. We're just on a break now, like I said. Oh my god, this rain's good. I don't know if you can, no. Definitely is raining. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. God, it's so needed. It gets fucking hot in there. But yeah, let me show you around a little. Yeah, this is the den. It's a work in progress. Like I spoke, like obviously I work with Brad, so that's how I know him. But he is fair play to him. You know, he's found an interest. He's stuck at it. You know, he's saved up his money. And he's learnt from the bottom. You know what I mean? He hasn't just he didn't get all the tools and have no idea. He literally just started from the beginning. He made his own forge. I remember him showing me. I made my own forge, Chris. Like crazy. You know, he's built all his stuff up on ledge. You know, welding, getting into all that kind of stuff. That's sick, that mask is. Yo, it's coming home. Is it full? But there, do you know what I mean? Look how hot that is. He was telling me, he's done this before where he felt a bit peckish. And cooked some sausages in there. Sausage sandwich. Get in. Fair play. Fair play. He has really, he's built it up. He's built an empire himself. You know, really learned. Like, what I'll do as well, in the description below, I'll put his Instagram. You know, look at the work he's done as well. He like scroll right down to the bottom of his Instagram and just have a look at how he started and what he started to make. And then you look at what he's making now. It's insane. So like, fair play to him. But this is what I mean. I like to show people other people's skills, and it's amazing. It's amazing that people go out their way and spend a lot of time studying and learning, and you know, build his own workshop. So amazing. Yeah, like I'll keep you up to date. I'm just gonna have a little drink, a little can of Coke, something. Yeah, and just we'll get back at it. But so far, so good. There's a handle. We're keeping this ring, like I said, and then we're flattening this out. I ain't gonna show you the photo what we're going off, because I went onto Pinterest and then I said to Brad, I like this knife here, I want this made. So, you know, I've arranged with him and we're gonna make it. So, but I'm not gonna show you that photo until we finish this. And we're gonna put it side, you know, put it next to each other, or like show you the one that I liked. And obviously I understand it probably won't be the exact same, but it's gonna be very close. But yeah, man, it's looking good. I can't wait. That's still boiling. Yeah, mental. Right, guys, the forge is back on. Break is over. It's back in there. Guys, we are coming to the end of smashing the shit out of the metal. So Brad's just going to do the finalised heat, and then we are going to get to the pretty stuff. It all looking nice, but so far so good. It's fucking mint. Right, let's just show you now. Look, there's the shape looking. Oh, fuck, you can feel the heat, bro. Woo! Yeah, man, it's...
We'll normalise that, let it cool down slowly.
Let it cool down slowly. There's his mark, baby. There's his mark. Nice. If you're wondering what just made that little denty dent in the blade, these little marks, this little thing here. Get it right. I think it's that way. Yeah. So heat on the metal. Boom. Yeah, man. Super easy, simple. So then, guys, we have finished the forging side of things. So we've got it to a shape that we fairly want, like that. Now it's all for the pretty stuff, get it all nice and beautiful, make it look shiny, do a bit of design on it. But yeah, I'm going to show you through this now. I've got a dog licking my leg, and yeah, it feels good. right, let's check this out. Right then, guys, the update. So obviously in the other room we filed it off, got some edging done, made it, you know, took some, I don't really know technically, but he basically took the edging off, made it a bit more neater. What he's doing now is reheating the blade, and it's basically a hardening process. So he's going to get it fully the right temperature. Apparently he whacks a magnet on it to see if it's the right temperature. If it doesn't stick, basically, it's the right temperature to dip it into the water. And I'm guessing the reaction with the water makes it really, really hard. So yeah, this is the little magnet. So he sticks that in there. If it doesn't stick, that's a good time to take it out, whack it in the water, and it gets the steel super hard. Oil, not water, my bad. You should sit. But yeah. So now, yeah, he's just testing it. Is it sticking? So that's super hard. That ain't sticking.
Stone cold now. Back in the forge for another 10 seconds and we're ready to play.
So it's called quenching. So it goes in oil there. And it dips it in. And it just makes the blade really, really hard. Solid. Right, I'm ready. Yeah, you go for it, bro. On you. Baby. Nice. Right, so he's quenched it. So what's the next?
Drink of it's hard and a boil test. Okay, this bit.
Soft. Hard. There we go. So far so good, eh? Maybe. Okay guys, right, so update on the blade. So what we're gonna do now, or what Brad's gonna do now, is he's gonna change the colour of the blade. Oh, he's gonna change it, and he's gonna use this stuff here. Cold blue. So it's like an acid, reacts with metal, turns it black. Takes about 20 minutes or so, probably a little bit longer, maybe, I don't know. So he's going to spray that on. We're going to obviously watch him spray it on, and then we're going to see it react. And then it's just going to change the colour of the blade, basically, make it look really cool. And then get it all shined. Make it all like do the finishing touches on the blade bit. And the actual sharp bit there. Get it all buffered up, shined, and then a handle, get the handle put on there. So, you got a cold boot. Let me just flip the camera around. Okay. Does it happen quite quick then? Does it?
Should happen straight away.
I don't know about you, but it fucking stinks. Yeah, man. So then guys, we are finished with this knife. So at the start it was a full spanner, and then Brad did his little magic on there, put the idea across. I sent him a photo which I'll put on the screen now. What I said, oh Brad, we need to do something. I think it was 2 photos. We're like, can we do something like this? And he's like, yeah, sure. So today, this morning, we went and got a spanner. And we've just, obviously, in the video you've seen, we've been grafting all day. Well, Brad has been sweating his tits off. And yeah, we've had fun, you know. Good to catch up as well outside of work, and we've just really had fun. I've learned so much today. I'm sure, you know, hopefully you have as well. But it's just really nice, away from the cars a little bit. Most of the PW crew are quite busy, as you know, with what to do and all these projects with the cars now. Unfortunately, the one I crashed as well, but hopefully it's done and finished. But yeah, my bad. But today, so right, this is the finishing piece. What a knife this is. And it's not the exact same as what I sent. We just took ideas and we kind of put them together. But I am so chuffed with this. It's wicked. And I'll show you a bit closer up in detail. But yeah, what a fucking... It's sharp as well. I just put myself as well. Proper sharp. Obviously, and a bit of a disclaimer, this isn't a weapon. This isn't any for anyone to slash up or to kill or anything like that. This is fully just to go in my games room. Behind me, I've got a shelf. I've made a stand for it already, and it's just going to sit there. It's just a memory. Just a cool blade. The fact that it's come from a big spanner. So this is Brad. He's the one who's put the magic on this. So if you want to check out Brad's pieces and his work, I will put that down below. And also, like, hit the you know, like his stuff, subscribe to his Instagram, and just follow him, support him, you know, show him the love. But yeah, I'm pretty sure we've got some few ideas as well. I'm gonna do with Brad.
Yeah, we'll have a few bits.
A few ideas and a few day trips and whatnot.
Definitely.
But yeah, it's been proper fun, and thank you so much for this. This is sick. Proper chuffed with it. Yeah, man.
Nice one,
yeah. So don't forget, hit the like button, subscribe. We're getting close to 300 now, which is awesome. And just thank you for the love. And hopefully this is a bit different for you to watch. And hopefully we'll do some more videos like this. So yeah, peace out, guys.